Victor.
Hello. I have a haul, a temu haul. Victor's here to help me. Mr. Retros is here. It took me forever to get this temu. I have temu, dollar store. Keep an eye on him, please. And what was this? TJ Maxx. And some deer I made. Hey, are you ready? Are you ready, buddy? Yeah, I'm ready, I guess so. Well, this is the one that took forever. Oh, this is Shein. I ordered a dress from Shein. It's actually okay. I'm not going to bother showing it. It's just a black dress. These are just some Christmas nails that I got from them. They look pretty good. I don't have any on because we're doing the insulation in the studio, so I don't need no nails on for that. It's super fun. Isn't it, Mr. Retros?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm having a blast. And then I got some Christmas bracelets. Ooh. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh, yeah, that's nice. These are like what Crystal had. These are nice. Okay. And what else? Yeah, I got two of them. This one has snowmen and houses on it. Do you mind? You're so pushy. You're so pushy. So pushy. Look at this. Snowmen, houses, trees. Very cute. And it's stretchy, so that's kind of nice. Okay. Awesome. And I needed I'll take a picture of it on the, gee whiz. I'll take a picture of it around. I have a little aluminum tree in the kitchen that didn't need didn't have a tree skirt. So I got two of them? Oh, right. I didn't realize I got two. Keep an eye on him. We used to be able to buy these in all the stores. They were like made by Santa's Best. They were called. And they were just like red plush. Oh yeah, usually made in Taiwan and Japan. Yeah, it's just a little tree skirt. Santa's Best had. It's very Santa's Best like.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got Velcro. Yeah, super cheap. Mr. Retros and his dad had matching Santa's Best vests. They
were fuzzier than that.
Fuzzier than this, yes. They were lovely.
And mistletoe.
Oh,
and
holly
bow
ties they would wear. They were quite a stunning pair they were.
Dad and lad.
Dad and lad, yeah. Back in the day. And then this is just a little rug that I got that's got some Swedish horses on it. Ooh.
Oh, what is that? Oh.
It's just a little ruggy rug.
Nice.
Yeah. It's nice. And it's got all these. Oh, he likes it, see? He likes it. Okay, so let's see. There it is. There it is. Oh, now he's going to scritch all over it. Power digging. Okay, I hope there's no critters on this. I've seen some scary things. Somebody opening their temu package that has bugs on it. Oh, my Lord.
Oh, where are you going to put that?
I don't know. He sure likes it, doesn't he? I got this, too. I think he'll like this, too. This is harangdang. Harangdang. Let's see. Look at this kind of screwy. Here. He's just a plush critter for Victor. Little pal. Hi, pal. Yeah, he doesn't have any plastic eyes, so he's approved for Victor play. Alright, so that's cool. And then I got this awesome shirt. I have the hat.
Victor.
It's, I saw
It's the Victor show.
It's the Victor show. I saw Misty had one, and I immediately became very, very jealous. But it's the Mothman. I love Mothman. And it says half moth, half man, Point Pleasant, West Virginia. Look at him. He's looking at you. Half moth. The mysterious Mothman. So I'll be rocking this. It really feels like it's got a lot of sizing in it. Yeah, I should have to wash that baby. Get that, and then, okay, that's what I got at Temu. Then, you know, they had these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They're kind of vinyl. They had them in different colors. I thought these would be good. Let's see, $1.25. They're supposed to be makeup bags, but I think you could put like art supplies and stuff in them. So I'm going to use these probably in my studio. I got two of these. They have them in black, this color, and one other color. I don't remember. Oh, he saw them. Oh, I need the scissors. You can grab some scissors for me, please. You stay here. Stay here. I got some toys for him at TJ Maxx, but they got those little plastic dealy bobs on them. I forgot to get the scissors. Got these beauties at TJ Maxx. See, they got stuff in them. See, he likes them already. All right. This one says Happy Holidays. Nice. I don't like these plastic things. I'm afraid he's always gonna get them and eat them or get them stuck in his throat. You get that. Like that? Yeah. Bottoms up, pal. Bottoms up. What's it gonna say? Yeah, that makes it extra exciting. See, there's those little plastic jobbies. And let's see. Get this out of here. This one says, oops, reindeer on it. No, just leave those alone. Reindeer. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Make sure you get all those little plastic jobby doos off, though. Reindeer. These are cute. He's got a little back of his head there. Nice, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and one more. They had a bunch of different ones, but, you know, I like to have a little squeak or this. He likes this little stuff in them. Crunchy,
Nice crunchy.
plasticky, whatever that is. This one has a Santa on it. I'm going to cut this tag off. He doesn't need that. There we go. Great for small dogs. That's right up your alley. Oh boy. See, there's a mousey in there. Happy Holidays. Merry Beermas. It says Merry Beermas there. And reindeer. Reindeer. Oh, funny. Funny. Okay, don't get too involved with these plastic things. Okay, then I finished my Looney Deer. I don't know if you see them. Let me see.
Victor, here.
These are my Looney Deer. I'll try and put a picture up there somewhere of the original ones were from, I'm not sure if Dakin made them or who made them originally. They were from Japan. They're very mid-century. See, they're very tall. I have them, here's his face. They're wired. And I made these a couple years ago, and then I sold them all and didn't keep any for myself, which it's like, gosh, it's the shoemaker's children that have no shoes.
Busman's holiday.
Yeah, Busman's Holiday here at the House of Retro. So I got this one's red with orange things. And you see, they got really cool eyes and stuff. And they all wired. And then a green one. Green with lime green accents on them. So I'll try and post a better picture of them. It's hard to get them in frame. Let me see. Guys, gosh, I got insulation on my arms. You know, you can cover when you do insulation. You can cover yourself all you want, but you're gonna get it on you. It's gonna
Well,
get.
especially when I'm doing it overhead.
Oh, we did the ceiling in there, and it was just, oh my gosh.
Well, it wasn't that bad.
No, it
could've
wasn't
been
too
worse,
bad.
you
Yeah,
know.
we've done worse. Well, believe me, we've had worse things we've had to do. Yeah, I can't think of any right offhand. Oh, tearing the roof off the beach house was probably
Yeah, that was
bad. I stood underneath while he was on the roof, and I stood underneath with a 2x4 and pushed the roof into the yard, standing underneath it. So, yeah,
Right.
perfectly safe. I'm sure it would be fine.
It wasn't gonna go on you.
No, it's fine. There's a, an aid car station right up the road,
Right.
So, that's my story for today. I'll be seeing you later. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Victor. Bye, Victor. Oh, Jiminy Christmas.
You
Okay,
did it.
I did it. Okay, hang on. I'll see you later. Bye.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.